With me is the latest entrant to drive into our market, but it's not just cars like this, isn't it? We have to also keep looking at the high end of the market because it also represents where the Indian buyer is going and where the market is going. So very often some of you say that, hang on, that's not a really relevant product, but you know what? A little eye candy never hurts. So let's get on with it straight away and talk about the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Now that's a car that's become World Car of the Year. It's also our premium car of the year, and now you have the AMG Avatar that's coming out. It's the first time that you have the Mercedes AMG branding on one of these derivative cars from the lineup. This is the C63.
A car with a superhero complex. Sounds a bit dramatic, but it seems the best and most concise way to describe the Mercedes-AMG C63. The C-Class on steroids is also the first production variant turned AMG to use the new brand Mercedes-AMG instead of being the Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG like in the past. The previous C63 was quite a capable car, and we're happy to report that the new generation has the goods too to be able to better take on the BMW M3 and M4 and the Audi RS5. And so it's kind of apt that we're back at the Autodromo Internacional do Algarve, better known as the Portimao circuit, to test the new car. Because it's also where we had put the M3 and M4 through the paces last year.
So we're here at the legendary Portimao track in Portugal, quite a perfect testing ground for the C63 AMG. Now the performance car will be available globally in two variants really, but it's the C63S which will come to India finally, which does offer a lot more power and a lot more fun, especially on tracks like these. So let's go check out that monster and see what it offers on the track.
The earlier naturally aspirated 6.2-litre V8 engine was quite a beast. But the new C63 is equally potent. And yes, it is the first time that the C63 will have two variants. Both use differently tuned variants of the same bi-turbo 4-litre V8 that also powers the red-hot AMG GT, which, don't forget, is the World Performance Car of the Year. The base AMG C63 delivers 476 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque, while the India-bound C63S puts out 510 ponies and a huge 700 Nm. The V8 engine is mated to a multi-clutch 7-speed automatic transmission, which is quite precise on this rear-wheel drive. Acceleration on the S model is slightly faster than the regular AMG C63, and you can get from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4 seconds. The car sounds pretty good too, and was especially fun roaring down the Portimao track. We also drove the C63 out on the roads outside the track to get a true feel of the car in everyday conditions. The C63's ride control sport suspension with 3-stage adjustable damping can be tuned for either ideal long-distance comfort or track-style feel. The speed-sensitive sport steering is lots of fun, and the carbon ceramic disc brakes provide good stopping power. The ride quality is decent, with the comfort mode offering the soft ride that most Indian buyers enjoy. Now if only we had unlimited smooth tarmac like this in India too, right? The gorgeous design of the C-Class hasn't been tinkered with too much on the C63, but enough has been done to give it the AMG flavor. Reshaped front and rear bumpers, new side skirts, and AMG grille, these are the obvious bits. The C63's front end is also 53mm longer than the regular sedans thanks to the new V8 engine. At the rear, the sporty rear diffuser, chromed quad exhaust tips and an integrated trunklet spoiler finish the transformation. Besides the AMG badging, of course. Keeping you comfortable inside the beast, the plush and luxurious interior of the C-Class get a bit edgy as they go AMG as well. The dash boasts black handcrafted leather with crystal grey stitching. There are race-style seats, a flat-bottomed steering wheel and touches of carbon fibre thrown about for good measure. The AMG exclusive analog clock and the AMG Dynamic Select switch next to the touchpad are quite eye-catching. Most of the interiors can be customized depending on customer preferences, but suffice to say it would be tough to go wrong with this beauty. Expect the C63S to hit Indian roads by the end of the year, and it could be priced around 1.2 crore rupees directly against the BMW M3. Now that will be a monstrous battle worth waiting for, isn't it?